Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the essentials so the app can work reliably. Open OS Maps, sign in, and grant GPS and location permissions. This lets the app pin you accurately. Once done, choose the region you need and download it if you expect no signal. Make sure to keep battery-saving modes off while you download. Finally, confirm the map tiles finish downloading before you move on so you won't need to repeat these steps in the field. Now you'll plan and fine-tune the route. Start a new route, tap to add waypoints, and drag points to refine the path. This improves accuracy. Next, turn on contour and satellite layers to inspect slopes and landmarks so you can avoid steep sections. Once the path looks right, set the map scale for the detail you need and save the route to your library. Make sure to sync to your account so the route appears on any device you use. Finish by starting navigation and monitoring progress while you move. Tap Start to enter navigation or track mode, follow the compass and on-screen cues, and check ETA. Keep an eye on battery and GPS strength. If signal weakens, switch to downloaded offline maps and reduce screen brightness. If your position seems wrong, toggle GPS, recalibrate the compass, or close and reopen the app. If issues persist, re-download the affected map.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.